Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex markets. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD on the daily chart. I'm just going to map out the range, a little wider perspective. This was the strong lower high that made this low. Well, let's just map out the range. I'll map out the range that we're in. This was the lower high that made this low, so we're still dealing in this range, not unlike the other dollar pairs, what I've been saying. It's internally bullish. It's in premium and with a little bit of pullback, but let's go down to the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, it's been bullish impulsively like the other dollar pairs. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now it's in a corrective pattern where price is just pulling back, but not shooting back down to continue the lows. It looks like it's forming a bull flag. Let's go ahead and doesn't necessarily mean or doesn't necessarily know when it's going to play out. You do have to look for any type of correlation, but I am just looking for buys at the moment, even though this structure hasn't been broken. I'd like to see any type of push up, any type of break of structure, and then a pull back to see if there's any opportunities to get into the trade. Now, Euro USD, it's been making higher highs, higher lows. It broke structure. Map out the range. And it's also has been pulling back. It hasn't gone back 50% yet to see if I can catch any type of trade in discount. It's the area that we've been looking at. In discount, significant area where no multiple touches in this area. Yesterday did try to on news yesterday with the USD, did try to break out, showed some type of intent, but then it just shot back down. None of this liquidity is scared. It didn't touch any type of supply area up here. So we're still just waiting to see if any type of momentum will kick back in, see if it pulls back into discount, to see if there's another buying opportunity in order to continue to trend up and break past these highs. AUD USD, it's been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and recently retraced back, and this pair did go back into discount, as we were saying. Let's map out the range. So as you can see, it is in discount and it has just been consolidating ever since. So I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity when it presents itself, any type of momentum, bullish momentum, to let us know that it has started to push toward these highs, take out all this liquidity up above these highs. Looks like there was a liquidity sweep, but it hasn't broken any highs because, or any fractal highs or any structural highs from this liquidity sweep. And like I said, this is forming a trend line. Looks like it's not a wedge, but let's see. That hasn't been broken. Liquidity sitting above that. Expanding wedge, but since this liquidity sweep didn't actually break any structure, I'm just looking to see if the bears are still in control in order to push this further back down. And did hit this demand zone. But I'll be looking for any type of momentum shift in the bullish direction to see if I can take a buy. NZD USD, similar chart. It's making higher highs, higher lows. It broke structure on the daily. This is the 4-hour chart. And we see here, this also did tap into discount. Looks like a liquidity sweep, but it also did not broke fractal structure, but it did not break any significant structure. There's liquidity sitting on top of these highs, just like with AUD USD. So waiting to see any type of bullish momentum to see if we can start targeting these highs. GBP AUD, it's been on a complete tear, at least on the daily and the 4-hour, of course. But like we've been saying, it tapped into discount and responded. This is the daily chart. Map out the range, just like we've been doing. As you can see, it tapped into discount, started breaking highs, and now it's retracing back. And I was looking for any type of buying opportunity when it retraces back in order to target these highs, but it's just been going up, no pullback. Right now, it looks like it's the buyers are stalling out and waiting to see any type of break of structure that can give us any confidence that the buyers are done and that this could temporarily come back down and provide us any opportunity to try to catch a buy. GBP NZD, of course, similar situation, similar chart. It's also retraced back into discount. Map out the range. Now with this, this chart is a little bit different because it did tap into the lower high. GBP AUD just broke right past it. This one reacted from it, and now we're on a retrace. So now we're looking to see if it can retrace back down in order to see any buying opportunities. But I did take a sell up here just because it looks like this was a liquidity sweep. It's the area of supply, and can try to capitalize on any pullback down, knowing that this is still bullish. This is what I'm considering the higher low on the time frame because it broke out of the range. It's initiation, catch a trade on the mitigation back down, and then trade it back up past these highs, past this high. But right now, we're just looking to see any type of momentum shift. It looks like it just wicked down, captured all the liquidity under these lows, waiting to see if this momentum will pick up in order to get a better trade opportunity if it comes back down to these lows. And then we're looking for any buys to, like I said, target the highs. All right, and that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.